If you're not on a mobile device, stay here. Or if you want to help the stream, click the notification, go to that, and then come back to this one. Something like that. Open them both. There we go. We are live, fully operational, I believe, on the short stream. Yes, we are. What's up, boys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is a spicy AF day. What's up, Rod? How you doing? What's up, DGens? How you doing, Tizo? Bitcoin doing the same thing it's always done. Amen. Seek and hunt. Amen. What's up, memes? I see you over there. Amen, dude. This is... We get so gaslit. Like, as a perma bull, I get so gaslit over, I don't know, like I said, the 80% of the time Bitcoin's not moving up. So gaslit by people. It's like the whole crowd is like, you're stupid, it's going down, you're delusional. Yet it always ends up going up. It doesn't ever really go lower, we'll say. The last cycle was a little weird with the 15. But the lows have always come up and so have the highs. And it gets so gaslighting. That's part of maybe the cycle, maybe part of the pressure, right? In the bear market, I bet your friends and family even said, man, you're stupid. They probably made fun of you. They probably were like, how's that Bitcoin going every time they saw you? I bet they're about to shut the F up after today. Well, we'll see. We'll see if we hit that all-time high today, but they're about to shut up. That's just part of the market pressure. Why is this stream started later? C-Loss? I don't know. I forgot to start it. What's up, Nate Dogg, Shane? It's the mobile stream, baby. That's why. Starting them at the same time is also bad because it like gives you 2 notifications. It splits the viewers. It's not ideal. Here we go. New daily high, boys. What's up, GRT with height? $5 donation. Volatility is direction neutral. Yeah, I mean, yeah, by definition it is. Expansion or contraction alongside of stochastics. Direction is a good indicator. Monthly coming off the lowest ever. Good way to put it. You made fun of me? Don't make fun of you, man. What's up, Ariel Birdie? I'm so sorry I missed you in Nashville, darling. I feel bad about that to this day. The short streams, the short bus? No. No. It's just people on phones, you know? This is like a big part of the internet now. It's people on phones. And they're joining us right now. Thoughts on CRV? We could look at some... I haven't looked at any altcoins yet, I'll be honest. We can't... Oh, we looked at Doge, because Doge is ripping. Let's see where Doge is at. Doge... hasn't quite moved, man, but that 18.35 cent call yesterday, aging pretty damn well, if I say so myself. When red t-shirt, it's in the wash, my friend. Your friends ripped on you so hard, Boss Fountain. Bro, you are in the best company. That's why I preach community is so important during this journey. Because every other thing is going to be against you. Your friends, your family, they're probably not even trying to be toxic, but they'll just kind of passively, maybe unknowingly, make it harder for you. It comes from a place of jealousy, but they might not even be aware of it. But it's like part of the cycle. It's part of that pressure that keeps you, or not keeps you, that encourages you to sell when the market is down. And then when they come back and the market is up, encourages you to buy, gets you on the wrong side. It's like the whole universe is a factor in this game. It's pretty bonkers. I have so many tabs open. Hold up. Gotta solidify these tabs here quick. Why is this down here now? There we go. There we go. Nice 1400 P&L. 64%. Let's go. I think I have like one more tab to get rid of. Pretzel. Okay, I can add that here. We are operational. What's up, Harry Potter, Mr. Summit? Bunch of bums. Who's a bunch of bums? My favorite thing is when people say Bitcoin is worthless. Like, you'll hear Bitcoin is worthless from like talking heads. Are they special? Is $73,000 worthless? I want to live that life. I want to live the life that they live, where I can say $73,000 is worthless. It's literally worthless. It's literally worth $73,000 right now, and it's literally the most liquid market on the planet, bro. On the planet. How can you say that it's not worth anything? It is more liquid than your stock market. You want to know why? Because it never closes. It's always tradable. There is enough liquidity now for almost any size order. for anything. Doesn't even make sense. Know what it is? It's clear it's projection. They're delusional. You have to be delusional to look at something that you could exchange immediately for value at any time and say it has no value. Then they'll come around and say we're delusional. Projection, bro. Can I get your contact number, Hossein? Absolutely not, my friend. No, there's a 0% chance I would give any kind of personal information like that on a live stream in front of like thousands of people. Not a chance. What's up, Golf Wizard? Crypto Immigrant. Bitcoin broke the CAD. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I tweeted about it. It didn't just break all-time high in CAD. It's still ripping, bro. $101,360 in CAD. No signs of stopping yet, man. Still moving. We've been doing this little kind of loop of looking at the different currencies. BTC Euro broke all-time high as well. I don't know if you knew that. It broke all-time high. It retreated immediately, but now it's back up. We have a few laggers. GBP. GBP is still 2.5% away. It's actually the farthest away pair that I've seen so far from all-time high. 2.57. Currently at 55.98. Looking for 57.5. GBP just taking it slower. BTC JPY 0.38% from a new all-time high. This is the strangest chart. It makes sense in context, but this is the strangest chart as it hit its all-time high in June at 11.2 million. Currently at 11.17 million. JPYs, yens. It's coming. Are these all front-running the dollar pair? I don't know, brother. Tom, am I seeing this? I'm seeing it with my special eyes, my friend. Are you seeing Bitcoin CME at 73.7? 73.7. Are you seeing Bitcoin dominance at 59.92? It touched 59.97 earlier. Are you seeing this? Do you believe? Where's your Gina? Worstenbruge. Gina. It's a sore topic for me, but you know what? I'm feeling good. Today is probably the day to talk about it. Gina's leaving us at the end of the year. We're not going to have her anymore. I know. It's really sad. It's okay. When we needed her most, Asian Gina emerged onto the scene. Hotter. More Asian. Different. Also called Gina, even though that's not her name. So we'll be okay. But it is sad. End of an era. We're going to miss her. She got some other job somewhere in the EU or something. I don't know. I don't want to think about it. What's up, Prince Minova subscribing, Christo subscribing. Remember, guys, if you subscribe while we're live, you'll see this number down here. Roll over. It's interactive. It's real-time updating. You can click that and change the stream. Your name will also pop up and I'll shout you out. Today's the day. You're finding the right channel. I'm telling you what. You found this channel today. You should go buy a lottery ticket because you're going to need it. You're going to need this fam. Best way to do that is join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. What about gold, bro? Who cares about gold? Nah, we'll look at gold too. You're going to need it, man. You think the bull market is easy? You think the bear market is the hard part? I've got some really bad news for you. The bear market is the easy part. I know, that's going to turn some stomachs here. What do you mean the easy part? Bear market, easy part. Bull market is the hard part. All you have to do in the bear market is buy and wait. If you can do that, kind of ignore price, you're good. The bull market is a very different beast. The bull market is where everyone gets wrecked. I know that's not what you were told. I know your buddy who said he made $1 bajillion on crypto said, oh yeah, bull market's free money. Nah, dude, that guy is lying to you. If he made $1 bajillion, one, why is he still your friend? Two, why is he not buying you a house? There's a lot of things. It doesn't add up. Doesn't add up. The bull market's the hard part, man. The bull market is the part where everyone is a genius. Everyone thinks they're right. And what happens is that mentality seeps in. It seeps in. It gets into you. And you start taking on more and more risk. And you can say, oh, well, Tom, you're telling me this. I just won't do that. It's not that easy, brother. We're humans. We don't get to make choices like that in the future. In the moment, you'll start taking on more risk. You may do this in a few ways, but the core of it is you'll take on more risk until you lose it. You'll keep like hitting the ball back up in the air over and over and over and over again. And each time you're like doubling, whatever, you're making tons of money. But the one time it hits the ground, you lose all your money. You lose it all. And it happens eventually. Sometimes it comes in the form of like very big, fast wicks that just wreck you. If you're on leverage especially, just wreck you out. It happens in a different way of you start chasing tops. Everything's going up. You have to make a decision right now in this moment. That's why I tell you guys, bear market or bull market, never make a decision in that moment. Take a breath, walk away, get your mind off and do something else. Come back with a rational calmness. And if you think that's the right choice, then make that choice. But you'll start jumping into these pumping things. And as you jump in, they'll stop pumping. Or they'll pump maybe like a little bit more, and then they'll start moving down. And you'll say, nah, it's just shaking out, hold. It'll be fine. Starts trading sideways. Maybe for a week, maybe 2 weeks. You see everything else run, you say, okay, I gotta get out of this. It's not moving, I gotta get into these. And you'll just repeat that process. You'll jump into the next thing at a high. You jump into the next thing at a high. And what happens is you just keep giving back gains. And at the end of the day, if you've avoided leverage, maybe you make it out, right? You don't get liquidated, you don't have nothing. But at the end of the day, at the end of the bull market, maybe you've profited, maybe you're in the green, and I use air quotes, in the green, because you're up in dollars or something. Like you're up something. But what you'll find out is by the end, especially if it's your first one, you'll find out by the end that had you done nothing at all, you would have had enormously, maybe magnitudes more profit had you just done nothing, not made any trades. It's a tale as old as time, man. It's wild. It'd be crazy if that didn't happen this bull market. If it was a different beast, I wouldn't put money on that. I would not bet on it. It is insane. And it's not your fault. It's not really anyone's fault. Gold's doing good. Gold's still moving. It's like a social thing. When people are euphoric, and hell, you'll see me euphoric here at some point. Hopefully, I don't feel it now, but you'll see me euphoric. I'm feeling good, but not euphoric. You'll see it. When were you euphoric? Shit, lost my train of thought again. When I'm excited, I think I lose my train of thought sometimes. Jumping from thing to thing, getting chopped. You'll learn that if you just had done nothing, you would have done better. It's a societal thing that everyone's euphoric. It's addictive. The same way fear is addictive, euphoria is addictive. These people are, I'm making so much money. What they really mean is they have unrealized gains. Because if you said, all right, you made all that money, pull the trigger, get out. They won't. They won't, because greed is an insatiable beast, my friend. It is never satisfied. There is no such thing as enough. I know some of you might think that, oh, I know when enough is enough. You don't. Those of you who can say, I have a goal in this bull market, hopefully that goal is reasonable. And for some reason, rhetoric around like 100x is reasonable or something. Like, I don't know, that's not reasonable. But if you have a goal, like I want to have enough to buy a house, the house that I want, right? That is X amount of dollars. If you're able to pull the trigger and realize all your gains and then just be happy sitting it out, you'll probably fare better than 99% of people in the bull run. You'll walk away with the thing you wanted. That'll be a W. It'll feel terrible though. It will feel like absolute garbage because you will pull it and you will watch that value continue up because you're not gonna pull at the top. Nobody does. It's just not a thing. You'll watch it continue up and you'll start thinking, I've made the wrong choice. That is a trap in bull run. I've made the wrong choice. I have to get back in, even though price is higher, even though I'm taking a loss here. I have to get back in. They get back in and it goes down. It just rinse and repeat, man. People get totally wrecked. And when everyone's euphoric, saying how much money they're making, remember, most of them are lying or don't really understand that if they're making money or not, or they haven't realized it. Or what I've just been ranting about, and we're going to move on, is the bigger concept of they probably would be more up had they just bought Bitcoin and done nothing. That's what I've seen every cycle. 8 years in crypto, I've seen this like clockwork. I myself fall victim to it. You guys, as this goes on, if we break all-time highs today, we have a very spicy end of the year. I will not be offended if you guys say, Tom, I think you're being a little too euphoric. I think you're being a little too greedy. Let me know. because we've streamed through now 3 bull runs, and I'm always like still bullish at the end, man. Maybe that's because my outlook is bigger, and I think it might go down now. It might go down for a few years, but it'll go back up, and it will. But maybe with your help this time, maybe I can cut a little better. I can be like, all right, maybe the top's in, because I never want to accept it. I always want it to go higher. We'll see. Slippage is a bitch. You just sold your ADA below all-time high last cycle. Adam and Dot rode down to the bottom. Shane, tales old as time, my friend. Peter, you pulled your Doge at the top last cycle, but it was pure shitting your pants luck. It could happen. It's just like it can happen the same way people win the lottery. You know, people win the lottery. There's always a winner, or eventually. But for someone to go out and buy a lottery ticket with the expectation of winning the lottery is insanity, right? That's why I say, don't even try to sell the top. I have other strategies that I use that I think are better. We'll talk about those more as things go on. I don't want to get into the technicals. That trains that mine Bitcoin. Ooh, trains that mine Bitcoin. You sold your Doge at 7 cents before it went to 70, but still felt you could win the lottery. Well, we have also a very advanced viewership here. We have a mature viewership here. Not necessarily age, but if trading mentality, I'd like to take some credit for that. Ooh, MicroStrategy. I'll take some credit for that. We fare better. That's why I started this with, if this is the first time you found this channel. We've been on YouTube 5 years. That's a sign, bro. You're supposed to be here. We're going to help you. We're not going to shill you things. We're not going to pump and dump. We're not going to, I don't know, scam you. We're not going to, I don't accept money to shill or to say something is good or valuable or going to go up. Almost every other channel does. There are exceptions, but almost every other channel you'll find, especially the bigger ones. Not talking about any specifically. I don't do toxic like that. But this is the place. It's a sign. You're going to DCA out as you did coming in, Peter Provost. Well done. I mean, smart. Pick your levels. It can be as simple as I'm going to sell 1% every $5,000 move up on Bitcoin, or 10% move, or whatever. It can be mathematical like that. That's how I do it, because I'm not creative. I like to kind of fit them with different stuff, but I won't get too far into that. MicroStrategy. Let's take a look at this quick. Acting as a proxy for Bitcoin. I was talking earlier about how Bitcoin doesn't really seem correlated with anything right now. What's interesting is it's not really even correlated with MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy broke out, not at all-time high, but broke out the 11th of October. It continues to move up. Bitcoin still below its all-time high. MicroStrategy putting on gains, but now a red candle today, down some amount. I don't know. Down like 2%. We looked at this. It actually hit last stream. Using our simple fib, we looked for... I need to move that back because I don't know why I placed it higher. We were looking for 257. That actually hit, I think, at the end of the stream. Last stream. Looks like we've overshot it a little bit. Our measured move, 277. MicroStrategy, since the split, 10-to-1 split. So this currently trading at 255. Used to be 2,550, right? But now it's only 250. Its all-time high now at $331. So MicroStrategy below its all-time high as well. I think what will be interesting here is, does MicroStrategy or Bitcoin break all-time high first? I think the fact that MicroStrategy is doing this shows that there are people with capital. I would guess they know, because I vaguely understand what Saylor's doing with convertible shares and buying and financing vaguely, but there are people with money who do. They do know, and they are betting on this. They're betting on it hard. Because what the hell else is MicroStrategy doing? Literally nothing. Like, they're like a marketing company. I don't even know what their revenues are. Unrelated to their stock price. Looking for 277 probably this week. Let's see. Ooh, our first somewhat break of structure here. 15-minute closed bearish engulf. 30-minute closing in 11 minutes bearish engulf. 1 hour, 11 minutes to go, and reaching down to that bearish engulf, 72.4. Let's mark out some more levels. That's a 4-hour open as well. 6. Ooh, crap. 360 plus 180. 540, right? There we go. Oh, wait. What? Let's get, I wanted the 8-hour. 8-hour open, 72.4. Okay. I'm putting an alert here. Interesting spot. 12-hour fine. For you. You guys enjoying these tunes today? These are the old school 2019 Tom Crown live streaming tunes. A little bit of a retracement here. Maybe the brakes being pumped on this rally. Maybe not. Maybe just a little sweepy sweep. We'll find out. We'll look at Coin Glass here quick. Probably can't see this on the short stream. I'll just pull it up. Let's look at funding rate. Are the bears or bulls getting overzealous? Interesting. I actually am going to read this in a unique way. This is funding, meaning every 8 hours, perpetual positions, whether you knew this or not, have to pay a funding fee to stay open. When it is positive, longs are paying shorts. When it's negative, shorts are paying longs to stay open. 0.01 is neutral funding. We are currently below that. Typically, the lower that is, the more bullish it's considered because it can set up for a short squeeze. This isn't significantly low enough to really say, okay, short squeeze. And a lot of the time I'm saying, oh man, I want really low funding. I want to see that get pumped out. I'm going to say something kind of unique here. I like that funding is neutral right now. I do not want to see an all-time high as a result of a short squeeze. I want to see an all-time high as a result of spot buying. Short squeezes have, in my observation of Bitcoin, always been short-lived rallies. Usually explosive rallies, but very short-lived, meaning they almost immediately give back all the gains. That's not what I want. I want an all-time high that persists. Let's look at super charts here. Open interest rising with price. That's bully. Oh boys. Open interest hitting. Last time it was this high was July. Open interest moving with price, showing perpetual traders and spot traders supporting the move. CVD, cumulative volume delta, rising with price. This rally, you could argue, is being driven by spot buying. Just what we want. Just what we need, baby. What else can we look at? Sir, is it go to all-time high now or go down? Mix emo, we already hit all-time highs. Not in the dollar pair. Dollar about 1% away from all-time high. We already hit them though. BTC Euro, all-time high today. BTC CAD, all-time high today. I'm sure there are more. Let's do, let's see, BTC. What's pesos? Peso MX. MXN, I was right. Let's see the peso. How's the peso? I guess it hasn't traded very long. Man, there's no good history of it. No good history. Poop. We could make one. Turkish lira. Try. Oh yeah, I know that one. BTC Try. I thought I thought TRY was a coin for the longest time. Oh my god, it's embarrassing. I thought it was a coin. I was like, why is this coin always doing so bad? Derp, we all learn. I knew nothing about trading when I started this journey. Nothing. Nothing at all. Like 8 years ago, I jumped in. I learned about Bitcoin and I said, this is the future. I didn't necessarily think this is what every transaction would be settled in, but I said immediately, there is no way, in my opinion, that as time progresses forward, which I 100% believe it will, that this doesn't become more important, that this doesn't become more valuable. And I started there and I started learning. BTC try the lira, 2.5 milli lira right now. I'm sure that's an all-time high today. Yes, it is. Topped out. It looks like exactly 2.5. Kind of cool. Kind of interesting. We talk about psychological numbers a lot. 2.5 million, absolutely one. Yeah, it's 2.5 million, 6,338. But a $6,000 move on something that's 2 million is like not even a 0.25%. It's nothing. What else do we have all-time highs in other currencies? Your shade in the stream shows your entire setup, including the keystrokes. Good. I don't ever type in passwords while I'm on. I do appreciate that, but I don't type in passwords really. They're all like saved, keyed. It's a good thing to know. I wonder. I guess we are in high def now. We didn't used to be in high def. Maybe I have to worry more. Be more worried if I had like my license or like mail out, you know, something. We'll see. What's up, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝? I see you subscribing out there. Welcome to you, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝, Muhammad, Boston George, JLZ Man Jr. 21, X Samurai, Amos, Andre, Zekerdrob, Z Ashok, Jonathan Harrell, Bandito, Shihab. We got a lot of new subscribers. Keep them coming. We broke 134,000 subscribers on this live today, while Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs against other currencies. Is the dollar next? Is the dollar next? I think so. 1618 extension on Bitcoin Turkish lira, 3 million. 3 milli. That is 20% move. I think it can go way farther than that. Way farther than that. Things are settling down a little bit here. CME hitting as high as 73,800. Ooh, wind just slammed the door. Bitcoin dominance doing it again. Does it go in this time? Man, it's been holding us in suspense forever. We thought that this would break 60 yesterday. What's up, Mohan? How you doing, my friend? Welcome. Welcome to all the new people. Welcome to Hemishu. How you doing? Welcome. CHF, nice. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. I want to look at more currencies. This is fun. This is an unregular stream for us. Typically, we're live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 1 p.m. East. But today, the spice has called us. SEK? Okay, we'll look at SEK. No all-time high on the Swiss franc. Not yet. I would assume that the ones that haven't hit all-time highs yet would be ones that have gained against the dollar since August. Might have to fact check me there. On the franc, hitting its all-time high in April, a little bit deviating from the dollar. 65,800 is the number to beat, currently at 63. That actually might put it farther than the GBP. It is. This one is the new winner of farthest away from all-time high. GBP coming in second, Chief coming in first. What's the time there? It is 2 p.m. Got your first payouts on a funded account, Gio? Hell yeah, bro. Well done. Lucid Investments? Probably not, bro. Talk to you about the start of journey. Which journey? The crypto journey, man? The black hole that is crypto. Soul reaching up. $200 target in sights. BTC MYR? Alright. I like these. Not enough attention is paid to this. You might think, well, what does it matter? Why would I care? Who cares what it's doing against the peso, right? Well, maybe you should rethink that. Because as much as us in the US or Palau Islands, as we are all in, as much as we think of a kind of centric around the dollar, which it is, there's an entire world out there. Not everything operates on the dollar. And so what that means, for example, if you had put dollars into the CAD, if you have Canadian dollars in Canada and you had bought Bitcoin, you are up now, no matter what. No matter what time you bought, you're up. Unless, I don't know, you bought it 5 minutes ago. But that means something. When currencies are inflating faster than the dollar, their bullish, or their Bitcoin chart should look more bullish. And we can dismiss that, but we shouldn't. We shouldn't dismiss that. because that is a real chart people are looking at. That is actually happening. What is, oh, we already did Lira. And people that are investing, if you're in Canada, you've been buying Bitcoin, it's at an all-time high, all of your buys are up. Maybe you start buying more, right? It has impacts. It may not be as impactful as the dollar, but it still has meaning, still has relevance. Your old chart that would play endlessly was a real vibe. Yeah, we've evolved. It's funny how short of a time that was, yet so many people remember it. What was the other one I was doing? SEK, yes. Thank you, Tommy, bro. You are my bro. Living up to your name here. Living up to the Tommy bro name. We're going to have to delve deep into platforms for this. Oh, that's not right. BTC. Did they unlist this? There was absolutely SEC pairs. What? What the heck? What? How is that not traded? Let's do BTC Rub first. I know that exists. We do, okay, we do odd. Because I guess we're not seeing Rub either. Australian dollar dues. How far are we? Just so. 1.5% away on the odd. The Canadian dollar due against Bitcoin. I don't know why SEC isn't there. I also didn't see Rube either. JPY, Try, GBP, CHF, Euro. Can I get more? Wow, how many can I have? 12? Okay. I guess even with my MAD membership, I can't even get 12. Can I get 9? No. No. Try. Do I have any duplicates? CAD, Euro, Shift. Nope. Shift. Got one duplicate here. Why isn't there Rube? Where's the rubles? This definitely used to be traded. We have odd, we have Euro. That's so strange to me. I guess we could, in theory, just do like this, right? I mean, we could just make it ourselves. Then we get a market cap value, though. That doesn't look right. Like that. That's wonky. That's wonky. It is cool that some of the oh, because this is Bitcoin market cap. Interesting. There we go. Is this right? This is weird. I swear to God there was an SEK pair on like Hotbit or like some weird exchange. Beautiful greens. How many grids do I need? All the grids. All right. It's getting a little dizzying looking at all those pairs. Let's take a look back at the corn here. First little shake. Little break of market structure. I ain't too worried though. Let's see. That 30-minute closed. Bearish engulfed. Yikes. Hour. Closed up. Not bad. We may be painting a fair, bullish fair value gap right here on the hour. It's got to close above 72.7. Maybe. This. I see you subscribing and unsubscribing and resubscribing. You should join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. 4 hours still looking rather gorgeous. Halfway through. Green dot potentially. RSI up in beautiful dreams being born land. Hourly. So bull. Look at this freaking trend, bro. Look at that trend. Whew. I hope we just get a face melter. 12-hour RSI up at March levels. Let's go. Let's go. Daily RSI cleanly in overbought. Just where we want it. Right where we want it, man. That's where we need it. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Let's go. What a big gap. Where? Big gap where? Glasses for laser eyes. That's right. 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. Why do I wear glasses? Why do you not wear glasses? It's good for your eyes, bro. Forbes article posted a few minutes ago about Bitcoin in China. Did China ban and or unban Bitcoin again for the 800th time? I'm so over those articles, man. Let's see what else we got. Sol, we like peaked at, no change, looking for 200. Ethereum actually bouncing more than I'd expect. Interesting. Man, this is some harsh times though, dude. Like Ethereum all-time high 2021 still down 45%. Yeah, 82% move back to all-time high for Ethereum. Maybe that sell-off slowing down on BTCF. I don't know though. Yeah, go for it, Tillin. Go for it. I know you're not going all in or all out, so you're Gucci. FTM in the range. A lot of these charts are just in range. Well, interesting. Well, didn't really move today. Thing's been popping. AMP. Alts are just not doing diddly. Qubits. Sharknado. Qubits. I'm starting to sweat. I'm getting the svets. 7 more subscribers to 134,100. We broke 134,000 today. Let's get to 134.1. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right there. Gold, whatever. JPY USD. What a weird thing. I'm not going to rant about it. Just going to move on. Radium, $1.23. Nosana. Ooh, Nosana don't look bad. Nosana above the zone of resistance. Maybe back testing it here on the day. Sui. Sui swerving our long because it's a bij. Back up to $2. Sui may still have higher highs coming. $3 would be a good target. Matic. Well, we filled on Matic. What do you guys think? Is that trade gonna fly? Man, Matic has seen better days. Rough. 80% upside, just back to 56 cents. This is a sketchy trade though, dude. This is sketchy. Hope it plays. CBK. And we're back to here. We're back to where we started. Let's take a look at any alerts I have. Elijah, my friend, good to see you. Thank you for the super chat. I haven't looked at any of the super chats. My bad. I'm sure I've missed a bunch. Shit, I feel bad about it. Hold up. While I'm checking this real quick, guys, tap the screen, subscribe, like, join the Discord, sign up with any of the partners in the video description below. Get into our private trading group in that Discord for free. All right, here are the, wow, I missed a bunch. First off, let's just start it this way. I apologize. I didn't hear anything get announced. YouTube didn't really notify you that well. Carlos Marcelo. I think I did get that one in the beginning. Everyone stay blessed. Amen to you, my friend. Pickle gifted out 5 memberships. Bina Dar Bizand. I don't know if you're still here, but thank you for the 20 NOK. You didn't leave a message. That's all right. I appreciate you. Online Piano Bar, 10 memberships at the beginning of the stream. Taylor, 10 memberships at the beginning of the stream. Dennis Lovelace, like an hour and a half ago, asked about Peepee. About the Peepster. You guys want to look at Peepster? I don't know if he's still here, but whatever. The Peepster. Pest Killers. Dominance is mental. Hasn't broken 60% yet. So, where did dominance go? There it is. So close. 0.04% away from 60%. Let's go. Coins Chick, thank you for the 1 membership. Robert Hole. Do I think Sui will get to, what do I think Sui will get to in 2025? Say $3. I'm just going to stick with that. Sun Chips, I'm sorry. Do I think US elections are affected by crypto now? Or US elections affect crypto? So yes, but not in like the A party, B party. Elections themselves, maybe not directly is what I'm saying. Government does. The regulation around crypto. But does the election impact like Bitcoin? Nah, dude. No. Nah, both parties are just going to want to claim that. Like whoever wins, if it goes up, will be like, look, we did it. And it's like, nah, dude. Where were you the last 7 months? Or no, the last year when Bitcoin hit all-time high? Where were you? Right? Nah. It will likely react initially. Almost certainly will react. But will it have a long term? Will it really matter? No, dude. Bitcoin's journey is set in stone. I don't want to say from day one, but from day one. There's gonna be a lot of ups and downs in between. But at the end of the day, it's always just gonna go the way it was gonna go. That's what I believe. Popcat for the man. I know, I saw you popcatting. Damn, Popcat. One of the few alts here running all-time highs while Bitcoin is doing this move. Almost every other alt diddling its thumbs. Kind of trading sideways. Popcat broke at 233. Good upside target for the Popcat. $4 if that comes, man, I'd take some profit there. Both great targets. You have broken all-time high. You haven't given back those gains. I'd be looking up here for TPs. You broke 150. Popcat's looking very good. Surprised that it's still moving. My baby Litecoin, $73. All right, sure, troll me. Total crypto market cap. This is something important I should have brought up at the beginning. I've been forgetting. I've been slipping in my excitement. We still haven't hit the full bull face melt on total. 3 trillion is that target. I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't know how it's going to happen. Could be today. Could be before the end of the year. Could be the end of next year. Who knows? At some point, I expect this to happen. $7 trillion. Back to 3 trillion. Why do I expect this? Because I'm a creature of habit. I love to just project out the things that have happened, to project them, apply them into the future. Has that been the most successful strategy? No. Nah, it really was not successful in 21 all the way to like, oh, we'll just say today. So from 21 on. No. But there is reason. It's not just made up. It's not just hopium. To look for something like this. From the all-time high to the bear market bottom of the previous cycle, 2017, we moved to our 1618. That was at 2.8 trillion. We moved to 3 trillion before retracing back down to that previous high. If we look for the same move, connecting our bull market high to our bear market low, our 1618 gives us 7.23 trillion and 3 trillion as the bear market bottom for total. Something like that. I do expect that to happen. But we have not broken 3 trillion. So we haven't entered the face melting rally. We've recovered from the bottom. We've moved up to the highs. But even in March, at Bitcoin's all-time high, dominance was much higher than in 2021. So Bitcoin went to an all-time high, but total did not. And when that happens, we're gonna be eating good when that happens. Dominance at 59.9%. Shall we ready the tweet? This is a historic day for the coin. Historic. Just broke all-time highs against many currencies. Dollar pending. Let's say it. Let's effing go, Benjamin. I enjoy the troll of this. 0.01% away from 60%. There it is, 60%. It's hard to trust though, because of the way this is calculated. You can see it's at 60 yet. It didn't hit 60 yet. Like visually. Let's see if I can get a copy. There it is. I got a copy. That's good enough to tweet because it's coming. I was dead set on it coming yesterday. That's what she said. Boom, 60%. Let's go. You get, and his tweet's right underneath mine. That's funny. 59.9. Nah, 60, baby. About not coin, bro, please. Have you subscribed, Pretender Sing 79? What's up, 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞 Gavali? Lord Balthazar, what's up, man? What's the trade for Bitcoin right now? Hold on to your goddamn hat. That's the trade. Try not to lose your hat. Don't lose your hat. You're good. Remember, bull markets. I was saying this earlier, but a lot of new viewers since then. People have come and gone. In a bull market, often the best thing you can do is just sit on your spot and do nothing. And it will be the hardest test of your self-control maybe you've never had in your lifetime. But if you can do that, you're not gonna regret it. Popcat, well, what else we got? XRP. How to get an XRP alert? Oh. New alert dominance. Okay, so we like kind of front run it, but there we go, officially above 60%. I'm gonna go ahead and say Benjamin Cohen was wrong because it's above 60 now. I think we're going higher. Damn. We got to go back to the corn though. We gotta go back to the corn. This is like really interesting. So we just hit the dominance target everyone's looking for. Bitcoin is 1% away from a new all-time high. 1%. And we're all here together. We're all here together. How's Uni doing? I don't know, Mems. I can't look away yet. Your voice is like brimstone of Valo. I don't know what that is, but it must be pleasant. Must be pleasant. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bitcoin pumping right now. Giving us the blue balls here. I thought there'd be like kind of a special fun reaction. Thought something spicy would happen. Like maybe Bitcoin would rip or maybe it would just dump his brains out. So far, nothing. Nada. Man. Alts have had a hell of a ride, bro. Since September of 22, alts have just taken beatings as a bigger picture. Have just taken beatings. Dominance is up 52%. It's at 60 now, man. I think we go higher. I think we go higher because I think the most pain is higher. 66.2, 73. If Bitcoin dominance breaks 73%, if it breaks 73%, it will have put in a higher low and a higher high. And that would really turn this chart on its head. Because Bitcoin dominance started at 100%. It was the only crypto. Then new cryptos came, they grew. That dominance then could never be 100% again. So logically, this chart was doomed to be bearish, right? It could never achieve the highs it was at. It can't ever achieve the highs that it was at. Period. Can't happen. It's impossible. Math says so. So we always assumed this would be bearish, but last cycle we failed to break our low of 2017, 2018, putting in a higher low despite all of the alt craziness. If a higher high comes in play, all of a sudden dominance is a very different chart. Out of nowhere, dominance becomes an uptrending chart, a bullish chart. The top of which obviously is under 100%. But it would have some very interesting implications for cycles to come. Here we go. Putting on some ground above 60. Alts likely taking a dump here. Bitcoin not really doing anything. Cool. Neato burrito. 60.04 and counting. It's going to keep going. Bitcoin dominance breaking out of a rising wedge. Just going parabolic. You just subscribe, bro. Tell you about Notcoin. You got too much going on. Usually we do a lot of requests. Usually. Today, request line is not being answered quite the same. This isn't a normal streaming day for us. This is a spicy stream day. Where I'm just going to kind of be ADD and flip back and forth between charts. Rant about stuff in between. What's up, Piano Bar? How you doing, my friend? Maybe you should sell all of your alts? Yeah. So here's the one thing I want to tell you. Dominance being here at 60, even if it doesn't reverse here, is still describing to you that alts are at value. It does not mean that they can't go lower or that they have to go up or something, but it's telling you the farther you are away from your dominance low, the greater value alts are at versus Bitcoin. When they were down here, they may have been moving up in dollars, but they weren't gaining against Bitcoin. Bitcoin began outpacing them in November and has continued that obviously into today. So should you sell all your alts? Honestly, selling all your alts now, in hindsight, will probably be like selling the bottom. That might age badly. I hope it doesn't. But it is likely to turn out to be like selling the bottom. You've sold as the value of buying them has gone up. I don't know, man. I think what you could take from this is alts might be at good buying opportunities right now at 60%. Could reverse here. I kind of doubt it, but it could reverse here. That could be the cheapest they get against Bitcoin for years. Or you could be smart and you could not go all in, like we say, never all in, never all out. You could look to just maybe add a little bit, pick up something, maybe things that you didn't have that you wanted, because you know that they are at a comparatively stronger value to buy right now. So I'd say the opposite. The reason I say not all in is, well, I kind of think we're going to keep going. I think we may see 66. I think we may even see a higher high. Does that mean there'll be more pain? Yes. But what you could do is then say, all right, I'll buy a tiny bit. Maybe I'll add a little bit. Then maybe I'll add a little bit more if it hits 66. Maybe I'll add a little bit more if it hits 73. And at that point, I would just stop buying. I'd just wait for it to fall. That's what I would do. Whoa, 60.05, baby. I really thought that Bitcoin would rip to all-time high as it hit this. Might happen. Might be happening right now. We are 1% from a new all-time high on Bitcoin. We are 1% from breaking March's all-time high, boys. And we've got 2,000, tens of thousands tuned in, but 2,000 of our friends and family right here with us watching this happen. I think it's going to happen today at this point. I do. We're only 1% away. But even if it doesn't, it's really irrelevant. We have cleared resistance. We could come back to 71.2, 71.3 as support. We consolidated underneath there for a little bit before popping. We could come down to 69.5. We could see even lower than we really want to expect. We could still see 63.2. We could. But it doesn't really matter where we go. Because at this point, I think the market has made up its mind. I think it is heading to new all-time highs. It could happen today. Invest patiently. Be like a hunter in the woods, man. Don't run after the deer. Let the deer come to you. Be ready. That's the thing. People aren't ready usually. They're caught off sides. Don't get caught off sides. What's up, Deba? Man, I can't pronounce some of these. Debashish. Satpathy. How you doing? PK Salomon. Mayar Factory. Sebastian. How you doing, Sebastian? Shirsh. J Stefan. MO2. We got a lot of new subscribers. One Plus Boy. Digitrack. E-Rock Annie 2006. What's up? Majin Books. Majin Boo. You think we hit 75K today? All right. You believe Bitcoin will fall from all-time high? What do I think? Probably. I think we could. I think it's reasonable to expect some selling at the all-time high. Yeah. I just don't think that's gonna. I think the worst case scenario is at the all-time high. We just get a spooky wick. We get like a scary quick move, like a flash crash, which we just haven't really seen like we used to. Double top. How's every double top ever worked out for Bitcoin? Gotta be Buddhist. Gotta be a Buddhist monk on them trades. Amen. Amen, brother. What's up, Philip? Let's go, Bitcoin, guys. Put together our energy here as Bitcoin is reaching to its daily high, 1% away from all-time high. Bitcoin dominance has broken 60%. I can actually hear Benjamin Cohen partying from his home right now. He is very, very excited. I can hear him. We are reaching up here, man. Thought it would be a little more satisfying. I thought we'd hit 60 and then it'd be like rip, but I guess not. I guess we hit 60 and then it's slow ripping. Slow ripping, kind of like it's done all day. This has been a pretty slow rip. It feels good because we've seen so little upside, but you put it in perspective and honestly, we've rallied 3%. It's not face melter. Maybe the melted faces are still coming. I hope so. I think so. Don't get caught buying the top though. If you sold all your Bitcoin and you don't have any right now, I don't know what to tell you. If you can't handle it at its worst, you can't handle it at its best. Hopefully you didn't. Boom. Boom, ba-boom. That's the same P&L that was there. Wait a minute. Up 65%. Bitcoin breaking to a new high here today. Let's go. Let's go. Keep smashing the likes, guys. I haven't said it in a while. If you haven't hit the like button, do it now. Or forever hold your peace. Forever hold your peace. Subscribe to the channel like the few hundred already did today. Join our Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Sign up with the partner in the link in the video description below. Here or in Discord. There's many exchanges, many tools. Doesn't matter which one. And you'll get into our exclusive private trading group in the Discord. No, you cannot buy your way in. I don't want your money. But if you use one of those links, it is an affiliate link and it'll help support the channel. Even if you don't spend any money. 73,000. 73,000 US dollars. Where's my Coinbase chart? I want to see Coinbase spot. So Binance is the biggest exchange, but Coinbase is the spot exchange. That's where you go for spot price, not at Binance. BTCD. I seem to have lost it. Let's pull it up. Why are these so old? Why is that from February? You can type it out. Why are these so old? What happened? Maybe, oh, I know where it is. I know where it is, guys. Hold up. I gotta close some of these tabs, bro. It's right here. BTC USD Coinbase. Boom. Maybe not. Maybe it's got bamboozled. It's okay. We can fix this up real quick. Here we go. 73,835, the number to beat on Coinbase. Currently at 72,956. We are ready. Buckle up, buddy. Get your seatbelts on. Keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Things are very spicy. 1.15% away. I'm sure some spots already broke, or perps already broke all-time high somewhere. I'm sure. Close this, close this. BTC in other currencies. I know this is a nightmare to look at. CAD reaching up. So close. $200 out of 111,000 away from the all-time high on the CAD, or on the Australian dollar. BTC Lira already at all-time highs. 2.5 million. GBP. Man, this thing's just lagging. 2.5% away from its all-time high. Getting close. Bitcoin CAD already at all-time highs today. Broke earlier this morning, front running. Potentially the dollar pair breaking. $101,300. Euro broke all-time high, but it's flirting there. It broke it, traded back low, now back up to it right now. 67,467. $30 away, but it already broke, so it doesn't even matter. Dominance hanging out above 60. Not really doing anything. Not as spicy as I thought it would be. Let's go. Look at Casper. We're not really doing many alts right now, man. Unless it's like ripping, all-time high ripping. We're not really doing alts today, but we're going to stream. We're supposed to stream again tomorrow at 1. On Wednesday, as we always do. Anything really moving? SUI at 2. Popcat we looked at. With my short probably got wrecked. Athena up. Doge up. We looked at Doge. Floki up. Ondo up. Aptos up. Pyth up. Bread up. Optimism up. Biggest gainers, a bunch of shit I've never heard of. I have to look at my phone, honestly. Look at my phone to get the top 300. Hold up. Top 300, 24-hour change. Grass. What the hell is Grass? Mask is up 30%. PAL, P-A-A-L up 26%. Checks, Metis. I know people have asked about Metis recently. Today is looking at green candles stream. We've had forever not looking at them. Yikes. That did not play. Metis, not really super exciting. I mean, that's a nice uptrend. It's likely going to 52, probably higher, but that's not what I'm looking for here. Checks, YGG, Arkham, Bitcoin, Mog. What about Mog? Mog's probably not spicy either. Spicier than some. Spicier than some. Man, it's just the corn. It's like just corn right now. Today is a corn day. Alts will catch up. They'll catch up. It's 229. Man. 30 seconds on this 30-minute candle to close. We do have a higher high. Would be much nicer if this 30-minute closed up, avoided that bearish engulf. Or, not avoided the bearish engulf, painted the bullish engulf. 72.9, we're cutting it real close. That hourly candle still suggesting a bullish fair value gap being painted. Still seeing the potential to close here in a 3 candle long setup. Nice and bully. Looking for 72,739 in the next 30 minutes. RSI coming down. A little bear div on our highs here on low time frames. Not really worried about that. That can be seen on many time frames. Team, but they all look so good, man. They all are just glorious. It's gonna be an interesting close in 30 minutes. I think if you close above 72,739 on this hour, I think you keep moving. Doesn't mean it can't keep moving the rest of the day if it doesn't, but I think things get a little less intense for a while, which is good because I think we've been live for many hours now. What's up? Name I can't read. Thanks for subscribing, brother. Stefan subscribed. P Phipps subscribed. Bun G subscribed. Pierre Theron, Philip Plonka, and Majin. I got that one. Nice. This one I can't pronounce it, but what's up? What's up? What's up? Guys just spamming coins. Okay. Just spamming the coin symbol. I don't even know what that is. What is that? What is that symbol? I've never seen. What is this emoji? Can't see with my glasses on. You're a regular viewer. Maybe we'll meet someday. Perhaps, my friend. I'll be in Dubai next month. I don't know where you guys are at, but be in Dubai next month. Yeah, but now 2.5 hours after completely losing my voice last night. Or yesterday during the stream. But we're forcing it out for y'all. We're making it happen. We're doing it. We're doing it together. Shout out 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐼 and MetaSignals, our sponsors. That's all. It's been good having these old school tunes on, man. They're vibing. I hand selected each of these songs over the course of, like, I don't know, forever. 5 minute, that money flow is sexy AF. 10 minute, a little less sexy. 15, a little bit less sexy. Not too much less sexy, though. 25, sexy. Maybe suggesting shorter term downside. I love those money flows, man. They're all trending up. I think we get a strong close on this hour. I think we get a strong close on this 4 hour. Wouldn't be surprised to see red after this 4 hour, though. Wouldn't be surprised. That's pretty extended. RSI on the 4 hour at 84. Could go higher, though. That's a lot of green candles in a row. My loud, could you just break? Just do it. Stop edging me. Really small extensions here. What's up, F-Mass, my guy? 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐼, Masker. Good names, good names. You look at what shills are shilling, not the guru referrals. I don't know what that means. You look at what shills are shilling. Does that mean you like what shills are shilling? You spam the shipwreck. I don't know how you took that personally, man. That was literally not at all about you. Somebody was spamming this symbol in the other chat. Dude, you got 2,000 live viewers. How are people taking something personally? There's a 1 out of 2,000 chance I'm talking about you. This thing, here we go. This guy. This is what I was talking about. It was in this chat. Spam. I don't know what these are. Are these coins? I don't know. I don't know what that is. I've never seen that emoji. Weird. You just want to wick to 75, 76? Me too. Say that. The shills are shilling shill. The shills are shilling shill. It was you, Shipwreck. I mean, unless you're on another account. I didn't time you out either. I don't know why we're having this conversation. Someone else did. Presidential results being priced in? I don't know, man. I think that's all hopium. Were people saying that in 2020? Retail is not here, Eamon. You're right. They will not be here. Talked about that in the beginning. Loving the stream. It's good. It's good to have just a long vibe and stream, man. It is a coin emoji. Okay. Go blast through. I agree. Ship is always spamming. Spam merchant. I couldn't tell if you were saying shilling was good. I don't know. I don't know. By the shill store. Down by the shill store. Show the boys Cetus and Pixel, says Swan. Let me see. What is AED? I'm not really doing requests right now. I've been live for hours. We're paying attention to the corn. My lord. It's testing our patience again. Where's my clean chart? Yeah, I'm just gonna close like half of these. We pulled them up. I need to think about them again. I see those emojis. Keep mojing. Mojing on through. I never looked at Pepe. Oh well. Some alts are getting bounces off support for sure. Whoop. Whoop. As soon as I look away, it's going to break that high. I just have this feeling. They won't be here. What do you mean they won't be here? Ah, you missed the beginning. It's all right. I ranted about it for a while. Retail's not coming. They're not coming to like 100K, man. Retail's never involved in price until like the end. It's a huge misconception that retail drives price up from like bear market bottoms. That does not happen. Promise you it does not happen. Does not happen. I've never seen retail be here for like a bear market low or like even a significant swing low drive the price up. No way. Nah, dude, they jump in at the very top. They'll be here. They'll start paying attention. I yelled about this for a while, but they'll start paying attention, I'd say, at 100K. You hit 100K, I think people will start noticing. That's probably when FOMO kicks in. Status. The Cletus Cetus. I don't know if I've looked at Pixel, though. Yeah. Yeah, this is we're having a Bitcoin pump day. We're having a Bitcoin pump day. Not looking at these alts that are up. I mean, yeah, they have like big daily candles, but they're still in their range. Like they haven't even broken the high of the month. Bitcoin eminently at the all-time high. Today's a Bitcoin day. On tomorrow, we stream tomorrow. We'll look at a bunch of alts, unless it's really pumping, then we'll figure it out. Why is my voice so deep? I don't know. Why is your voice so deep? Why is your voice so deep? Also because I'm losing it. I lost it yesterday, got it back. Losing it again. Damn, we got 3,000 votes on the main poll now. 76% LFG, new all-time high before the end of the year. I agree. I agree. You guys are the best. Keep smashing them likes and subscribes. I don't know how long I'm going to stick this out, because you know as well as I do, Bitcoin, if it's moving to all-time highs today, is going to wait for the stream to be over. Maybe we can bamboozle it by me kind of talking as if I'm ending it. And that's all, guys. Let's pack it up. No, didn't move. Damn, it just looks like it's imminently going to, though. Come on. I don't think I can move. It's called testosterone kick drum. Thank you, bro. You don't sound like Alex Jones. I actually don't really know what his voice sounds like. I don't know if he has a deep voice or not. I'm not sure. Watch out. The floor is lava. Good timing for the floor is lava. Let's go. Let us go. It's lava. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Need your crown fix, Sergio? Welcome back. Cancel the stream so we can pump Crispy. Don't worry, bro. I'm at like my limit. We streamed for a while yesterday. We streamed like 2.5, 3 hours today. We gotta stream tomorrow. I keep mentally being like, all right, let's wrap it up. I'm gonna like inch it over there. I'm gonna slowly get ready. And every single time I've thought that, this candle pops back up. Like, look at this. I don't know if I can move now. I might be paralyzed. Like, look at this, man. Like, this wants to break to the upside. This rally's not over. I do have a 22-ish thousand long open. It's about, what? I don't even know a percent. Watch out. The floor is lava. I'll look away. Maybe that'll pump it. 66% up, and it's about 1400 PL. It's not bad. It's not too bad. If I sit on this screen for a while. This is Femex, by the way. Link in the video description below. Great exchange, great partner of this channel. Look back, look forth, look back, look forth. 73,000 US dollars. 73,000. Can you invest under 18? Simple ZY. I don't know. I don't know where you're at. Boom! There it is. There it is. There it is. Let's go. We just broke 73. What did I tell you? What did I tell you about this? What did I tell you? You're squinting your eyes. I know. This looks big, but it's 0.1%. Trapping shorts probably. Coinbase broke it, baby. Let's roll. Let's roll. What a good day. We've needed them. We've needed this. For those of you who've been following this channel 5 years, we've earned this. We needed this. I needed this. God, that was getting depressing. Funding still largely neutral as Bitcoin reaching up yet again towards that all-time high. I like that funding is largely neutral. Let's see. We are now within 1% of March's all-time high. Bitcoin has broken all-time high against the Canadian dollar, euro, the lira, and now the dollar's loading, boys. I told you, every time I think about ending the stream, it goes up. I just think about ending the stream more. That was a pretty good call in real time, though. That was pretty sick. That was pretty sick. We even like almost called it to the second. That's sick. Let's look at some liquidations while we wait. Who's losing money? Who's losing? Hopefully not you guys. Hopefully you guys are practicing safe risk management as we always preach. Dude, I am lost in a sea of tabs. Here it is. I'm lost in a sea of tabs. In the last hour, we've got 7 mil liquidated, 7 mil short, 4 mil long. 4 hours, 70 mil short, 8 mil long. 12 hours. Not significantly more. All of that liquidation really taking place in the last 4 hours. Liquidation heat map. Nice, more subscribers. Yes. What's up, Tari? Tari Prigo, Andres Lanos, Tunde, Lifetac, Ardara. All the goodies. We got a nice little block right here. That was probably that 80 milli right there, actually. Let's go to the month. What do we got? What do we got? Well, we can't have any liquidations above us, really. We have to go out to a year to see anything above us. Because it has to be basically from around the all-time high, right? Not a ton. Good. That's what I want. That's what I've been saying all stream. I do not want this all-time high to be a result of a short squeeze. I want it to be spot buying. So far, so good. We are seeing spot command this price. It is not squeeze driven. We have very little liquidations above us, actually, comparatively. Go to the regular map. Very little comparatively. One day we got what? $1 billion up to the all-time high. We got 5 billion back down to 67,000. Yeah, 67,000. These books, man, these books are getting one-sided. You've got very little above you. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. Excellent. Funding rate still neutral. Showing traders not getting overzealous, not getting into that squeeze position. Ah, there we go. A little red. A little red, good. Good, good. We need a little red. 15 minutes for this hour to close. Looking for 72, 739. Could go either way. Look at that wick and then red candle. That's wild. Opened on 72, 73, right back down. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. All things in balance. All things. I'm just going to want to continuously stick it out another hour. That's not going to fly. Looking at CVD, seeing signs this rally driven by spot starting from the 26th. Starting from 67.3 thousand. Funding remaining neutral, remaining positive. Open interest also climbing with price, showing us it's not just spot. It is perp traders as well, agreeing on this price, saying this is the right direction. We have all of the signals, in my opinion, to go test that all-time high. All the signals. Anything can happen. The ride is only going to get crazier from here. It's going to get harder. It's going to get more dangerous. It's going to get more risky. You thought the bear market was it, man. Got bamboozled. The bear market is the warm-up. The bull market is the hard part. Catching on that trend, hopefully. Looking good. Looking great. What a good stream. What's up, Coyote Junction, my friend? Instein 110. What, we got like 400 or 500 new subscribers today? We had thousands of new viewers today. Easy. Dominance is hanging out at 60.04. Easy thousands of new viewers. I'd love to see new viewers. We have not had many for a while. Please check on Gareth Soloway, says Crypto Immigrant. I'm sure he's fine, my friend. I'm sure he's fine. Sure he does. He does pretty good business there with his trade-in company. How you doing, Nebulous? I'm doing good. Bitcoin, my love. Yes. Superbird 5 bill. They'll figure out a way. They always do. Here we are. Nice little reaction. Nice little reaction. Round 2. Coming back up. Round 2. This is a hell of a close for the hour. The 30-minute close was a little rough. This looks like a shake, little liquidity grab. Hella rough. 30-minute close after rejecting. But that hour, man, ever since this hour opened, 47 minutes ago, I said, I could be getting a pretty damn bullish fair value gap paint there. And that's looking pretty likely. That's looking right on cue. Right on the cue. Every time, when it hit here, I was like, oh good, I can turn it off. I swear to God, it's just like tracking my brain. Whales, get out of my brain, bro. Get out of my brain. You're not welcome here. This is my brain. Are we going? 5 minute good, 1 minute good, 5 minute. Actually, not quite as good as it was. A little sketchier. Not bad though. All right, for real. I love it. I love you guys. It's been an awesome stream. It's good to have good vibes back. We are live again tomorrow, 1 p.m. East. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Do it right now. You can keep up with our fam, keep up with the updates, changes to my trades, 24/7 chat in there talking about nerdy Bitcoin crypto stuff. It's not Bitcoin only, don't worry. Join it free. If you sign up with any of my referral links, you'll get into our private group in there. Very exclusive, very demure. You know you want it. Do it. We're going to be live again tomorrow. You guys rock for sticking with me this long. The good times, whether they're coming today, the end of the year, next year, doesn't matter. They're coming. Stay strong. Don't make any choices in FOMO. Take a break. Walk away if you need to. I love you guys. I'll catch you soon. Crown out.